Hello and welcome back to EntireYt. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can download YouTube video in your gallery. Let's start. Open your browser. Number 1. Search YouTube and open it in your browser. Open the video you want to download. Number 2. Copy the link of the video which you want to download. Number 3. Now, open your browser again and search YouTube Video Downloader. Here are so many websites. Open any website which you want to open the second website. Save from .net. Number 4. Now paste your link here. Number 5. Select in which quality you want to download. I have downloaded this video before, so I am not downloading the video. After downloading the video, open your download folder, open the video, and here we go. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative and engaging.